right, we are at Chicago Collecticon Day 1. It is about 10 a.m. We are finally set up. I just wanted to show you guys what we have real quick before we get to the video. Latios, Charizard, some more Altarts, a little bit cheaper stuff for the kids. And then we got some miscellaneous stuff, a lot of Altarts here, some Beckett, some vintage. We got some tag teams as well and a bunch of trainers here, some Japanese trainers that go for a lot. More tag teams down here. A few CGC slabs that I got in a huge deal, but they are nice cards. Latios will still go for about $3,000, even in CGC 10s. And then in this last display case is the big bangers. Starting at the top, we have a bunch of black labels, some ponchos, this is the heavy hitter case, some pristine 10s, and then we have one Mario Luigi set here, a sequential Mario Luigi set on this side, and in the middle we have a bunch of Evolution VMAX Altarts. I'm missing the Espeon because it got sold at a couple shows ago and I regret that. Here we got Poncho Row, we got Scream Pikachu as well, some Festa, Charizard, and Extra Mario. And then we got vintage bangers here. We got Skyridge Umbreon. I think I want at least like 13, 14K for that. Has a swirl. Two Blastoises, a Gold Star. This is a very low pop Plasma Full Art. A couple Gengars. Raikou has a swirl. Japanese Ray. And then more miscellaneous 10s down there. We got a Van Gogh, Palkia and Dialga, Shining Celebi, Blastoise, Mewtwo, Pika, the three birds from Fire Red Leaf Green, two Umbreons, and a Rayquaza Level X. That's our display case, so let's see how it goes. All right, Mr. Yuki is back again.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning. Ohayo gozaimasu.
Ohayo gozaimasu.
Always start the show with Yuki.
Enjoy.
You can't take my whole wallet right now. Are you sure that's all? Okay.
Yuki, are there any more slabs left in Japan?
I don't know if you can tell, but it's a lot of slabs. But all right, I'm gonna count it and I'll be right back. Okay, we did a count. It's a crazy spread. I'm gonna go through everything we're picking up from Yuki. Okay, starting from this corner, we have a Blastoise Piplup Japanese, Slowpoke Psyduck. These are all Japanese cards because he's from Japan. Flareon from Pokekyun, Espeon Poncho. Love this Reds Challenge, really cool card. One of my favorite tag teams, we got the babies, we got 3 of those. Magikarp Wailord, we have 2. We have 4 Japanese Lugia Altarts, 1 Alakazam, 5 Zapdoses, 2 Blastoise, 2 Venusaur. We got 3 of these little ponchos. I think we have 8 Espeon VMAXs. I'm not gonna show you everything, but we have 15 of these Japanese Charizards. Okay. There's like 45 of these Magikarps. Bunch of Glaceons. Leafeon VMAXs. 1 Gengar VMAX. 1 Scream Eevee. 2 Moltresses. Bunch of Poncho Charizards. 1 Dragonite, and a bunch of Rayquazas. And now we're getting into Terrassel Festival and some more Pikachu promos. We got a bunch of Umbreon SARs, bunch of Flareons, just stacks, Sylveons, Espeons, 2 more Giratinas, Leafeons for days. I'm just grabbing like a bunch of Pikachus.
Are those all 10s?
Yeah. Aerodactyls, more Pikachus. This is like a workout walking back and forth, bro. Greninjas, Glaceons. Just 5 minutes of me walking.
I would have been out of breath already.
Literally, bro. Jolteons, Vaporeons, Bubble Mews. Did I show the Pikas already? I think I did. Some Sailor Pikas, some more Yokohama Pikas. I love these ones. Comedian Pikachus are just laughing. Shibuya and the Stamp Pikachu. It's like $1,000 now. And a bunch of Leafeons. I don't know if I said it, but a bunch of Leafeons as well. All right, Yuki. You want to do the flip?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. 57,300 or 56,700, right?
Okay.
All right, we're doing basically a $600 coin flip for all these cards. You got nearly like $70,000 of cards here. All right, I'll throw you call.
My call.
Okay. We're flipping with the coin. That's heads. That's tails. But whatever you want to call.
Okay.
I'm gonna throw it over there. Ready? Arigatou gozaimasu.
Yeah.
Good luck, my friend. 57,300 or 56,700. 3, 2, 1. He says heads. Golden balls! You got cooked, my guy. I appreciate you. Much love, Yuki. All right, let me cash him out now. All right, flipping cardboard, dropping off some package, some slabs, some miscellaneous cards, but cool cards, some e-readers. Damn, I like how you wrote GP on everyone. Thank you, man. Got Ladian, we got Leafeon, another Magic card, Play Lord. Calyrex, what is this? Blissey, Dark Persian, Charizard. We got a Togetic, some more e-readers, EXs. I love that Executor. Cool Lugia, Xatu, and Scizor, Hypno, and Gyarados. How you doing?
Hey, man, you got a Van Gogh in a 10?
I do have one. I have one right there. You interested?
I'm curious what price you have it at.
Cash or trade? Is it cash?
Both?
Both? Well, I take trades at 80%, but let me tell you what the cash price would be.
Yeah.
I know this thing's going up a lot,
Yeah.
but I will double. I only brought one PSA 10.
Yeah, so you got a 9.5, 2 9.
Yeah, I have some CGC and some PSA 9s, and I have some raws. I have a bunch of raws over there.
Oh, good to know.
Like probably like 30 of them, or 20 at least. Anything else that catches your interest?
The raw versions too, probably.
Okay. Last sold 862. Before that, it's around 820.
820?
Yeah. Last sold's like 862.
Okay. And then do you know what the raw price you have?
How much is raw Van Gogh? It's like low 300s,
Yeah.
like 330.
No, 330, like 360, I think.
It's like mid to low 3s.
Okay. Let me know if any of these would interest you.
Okay, cool. I mean, I like these slabs. Nothing crazy in value, but I could take them. I could take these 5 slabs if you want to sell them.
Okay.
I could just comp them real quick if you want. Probably looking at like, I don't know what this goes for, but I know these are like super cheap for the most part. Maybe like $100 or something, maybe a little more, maybe a little less. I'll comp it for you. I'd give you like 110 trade value on these 5.
Okay.
820 cash, and then this. How much are Van Goghs? Like 350?
Yeah.
330. I'll do 330. So what? 200. So if you throw me 130 cash on top here, or 620 cash for that.
Got it.
We can always flip a little bit if you want. No
Yeah.
pressure though.
I think I'm gonna go for the raw, man.
Okay, awesome. Sounds good. Okay, so 130, right?
Yeah.
What was your name?
Chris.
Chris? Nice to meet you, man. I'm Arvin.
Nice to meet you, Marvin.
All right, let me show the camera real quick. All right, so Chris came by. He wanted a Van Gogh. He's going with the raw Van Gogh Pikachu. In exchange, we are getting a Houndour, Groudon, and Ceruledge illustration rare, plus 5 little slabbies. We got a Pikachu, a Magneton, this Darkrai, and a Noivern, and this Mewtwo promo from the Pokemon Go set. There's that, and let me get you change. I owe you 20. What was your name?
Jay.
Jay? All right. So, you're not even in the camera. Oh, are you? No, your girl's in the camera. But anyways, Jay came by. He wants my Latios Japanese. If you want to stand right here, you can be in camera. And in exchange, he's throwing in this Cynthia and this Armored Mewtwo, and then we're gonna flip cash on top, 1950 or 2050. You can throw, or I can throw, the other person calls. I'll throw you calls?
Yeah.
All right, ready? This is tails, this is heads.
Let him come back. He hasn't.
Ready? I'm about to get cooked.
Are you doing it?
He's calling it.
Hey, call
Ready?
Tails. Go away.
I'll wherever it lands, all right? 3, 2, 1. I lost!
You lost?
Yeah, he said tails.
Told you, right?
Congrats, man. 1950. There goes my Latios.
How much after all the trades and stuff?
1950, right?
Well, with the trades though.
Oh, with the trade.
Yeah.
Well, you said these plus that, no?
Yeah, but I thought you were doing like 22.
Yeah,
22.
22.
And then you came down to 2,000 for cash.
Oh, no. Sorry, I wanted 2,200 cash
okay.
on this.
Okay, gotcha. 1950 total.
Sorry?
So 1950 for everything.
Yeah, 1950, yeah.
Wait,
9.
sorry. So like, you gave me how much on this trade for this?
Let me double check. What am I doing, dude? Oh, shit, you're right. It's 1840.
I was like, this seems like.
Well, I wouldn't sell this for 2. I thought you said you wanted 2 cash plus
it
these.
got like confused with all this
Okay,
stuff.
I don't want dogs. Okay, hold on, let me double check again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Between 6 and 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then give me this, and I'll give you 60 bucks.
These are extras, right?
Yeah, those are yours. Bang.
Not like it's a bad car.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you, man. So we would want, at 80% trade-in value, we would need, I said 630, right?
Yeah.
So 330. So we need like $410 in cards. This last sold's like 71, so that's like 70. And I don't have space for slabs like that. That's the thing.
Yeah.
I mean, if you can give me like another like $340 in cards, I can make your dreams come true. I'm not the biggest singles guy, but
You're not, I was gonna say that's probably. I mean, if you're not interested in any of those, I know that's
How
where
much
a
is
lot
that?
of the value is. I think last I checked, comps on this were around like 8. I think there's a small ding right up there though.
make it like
See
LP.
it?
Yeah.
So I know that probably takes.
I could take a look at the other stuff if you want.
I got a Leafeon in here from Prismatic. I can't. That's my daughter, so I can't touch that.
Oh, that's fine. If you have like,
some of the singles, and I'll pass you whatever your trade value is.
I need you to comp it for me. How much? Yeah, I'll take a look at that. I kind of want to hold off because I feel like this is like really high right now.
Right.
I'll take the Zero Aura though.
What's the price on that? 2 of those.
I want 1100 on that. You can take a look if you want.
It's okay. I'm
This.
keeping the Articuno.
That's fine. It's a beautiful card.
Blastoise you said you'd look at, right?
I'll take a look, sure. So we need what, like 400 something, right? A little over $400 in cards.
Yeah.
These crown cards probably give you some value. The Deoxys, the Leafeon, the Samurott. Do you know what they go for? Like 10, 20, 30? I don't know.
I want to say around 20 or 30. I'd probably have to look at them.
Okay.
I think the Leafeons were like 40. I think I got some of those. In the
I just want you to get your goal. I just want you to be happy. To be
I know
honest.
These are, I want to say like 15 a pop.
Take them out, I guess. This is Japanese Hydreigon, right? Okay.
Yeah, I think when I checked when I pulled it, it was like 50 or 60, I want to say. A
Deoxys.
lot of these I was thinking about grading. I know a couple of them look good, so some not as
Got it.
much, the centering and whatnot.
Magneton, maybe? What's that, like 10 bucks?
Yeah, this is a Japanese though.
Yeah. Anything else?
That card, I
don't think it's worth much.
No? Okay. Squirtle,
Probably, yeah.
I'll throw that in there.
Squirtle. How much is the Zero Aura and the Gengar?
I want to say the Gengar is like 20 or 30. I know the Lana's 8 is like 20 as well.
Yeah, I mean, whatever gets you value. He's gonna comp for you.
Okay.
It's crazy how expensive this, like when you look at it like card-wise,
Yeah,
like
compared to-
all of these compared to this, but
I
then,
know when he first told me for like what 10 I'm like, what?
Yeah.
but when you realize like how many thousands of dollars people spend just to pull this card, it kind of makes sense. The Blastoise was the only damaged one that I grabbed.
What's that?
Was there any other damaged card I grabbed, or no?
No, I do not believe so.
Okay, cool.
Everything else I sleeved right away. It was
Awesome.
Good.
Sounds
Most
good.
of the time I notice it right away, so unless I didn't notice, but
All right, well, Brad was a man on a mission today, and he wanted a Giratina PSA 9. In exchange, we are getting a Lugia V-Star Rainbow and a bunch of singles. Let me just show you guys real quick. Some Crown Zeniths, some illustration rares, Gengar, some Altarts. Not the biggest singles guy, but there are some cool cards that we'll just add to our display case. And we're getting 300 cash on top. Thank you so much, my friend.
yeah, thank you. I appreciate
Congratulations.
It, man.
Enjoy your Giratina.
Thank you. This is the card I've been wanting.
That's a nice one. I got these 3 EX Fiery Leaf Green cards.
Do you have a Japanese test tube? No? I
Just
need one of those.
one in my office. I got some other stuff you probably would want.
Sylveon VMAX.
That's the only Japanese Sylveon VMAX I have. What's that, like 900?
Oh, it's Japanese?
Yeah, right, 850.
850.
It's over 800.
It's like 820.
I haven't run this.
You don't run it?
I haven't ran it.
You
And
wanna
like,
flip. Your number, my number. Pick 2 numbers.
cheapest on eBay is 924. My number, your number? Cash?
Fair, cash. Like, give me like 85, 95. But whatever we're
I
comp,
probably paid over 90 for this.
you can make 5%.
And lose 5%? I'll do,
85, 95 is fair.
no, I'll do 800 or 850 flip. I think I paid like 800.
I'll do 800, 820. For fun. Just for the video.
Oh my god.
800, 820.
Sure, fuck
It's
it.
still over 90.
Chat, it's from the milkman.
I'm paying so high, chat.
All right, I throw your call.
Yeah, I'll call in the air.
All right, watch out for your wine. All right. The only man that wears sunglasses indoors came by again.
Trust me, because I wear sunglasses.
Never trust a man with sunglasses.
Yeah, never.
With a glass of wine in his hand.
Drinking wine before noon.
Japanese Sylveon going out. We're flipping 800 or 820.
Yep.
Ready? I throw you call. 3, 2, 1.
Show me the GP.
He says tails.
Show me the
Heads! Golden balls!
Damn it.
Show me the GP. Thank you, bro.
I was going to say GP or show me the head.
Show me that nose.
Show me the nose is what I was going to say.